Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually calculate right here in our Google Sheet. Yes, a lot of person know how to do it into Microsoft Excel, but in Google Sheet, a lot of person may be wondering if it's the same. Yes, basically the same. Right? So we're going to start with equal. I'm going to say SUM, just like that. I'm going to put the bracket. Now when I put the bracket, you notice right here I'm going to say A1. So A1, so I'm going to put the colon. Now the colon means short. You notice right there, so actually so far. And then we're going to be looking at put D1. D1, put the bracket. Right, and if you notice, right up here in the formula bar, you notice. So definitely when you press enter on the keyboard, this is exactly what happened. Show that we can actually autofill. I just come right here, notice the cursor, and come down. Just the same way. Right? So very important. So this is exactly how you actually does our basic calculation right here in Google Sheet. Yes, it's very important. Right here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.